In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Mercari promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Mercari promo code. Right here, select this website which is called simplycodes.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promo codes that you can use to get a discount. For example, right here we have this one with $10 discount. All you need to do right here is select copy code. And this is the promo code right here that showed up. You can simply copy this promo code from right here and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get that $10 discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is called withriff.com. And right here we also have some promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if you want to get this one with 20% off discount right here, all you need to do is select copy code. And this is the promo code right here. You can simply tap the promo code to copy it and you can apply this one on your next purchase in order to get a discount. So this is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.